Rules in Outlook help you organize email messages and receive updates when items are changed. To begin, right-click on an existing message in your inbox. Select Rules, Create Rule. There are several options for setting rules. Let's create one, moving all emails with the subject line Meeting Minutes to a specific folder. Check the box for Subject Contains and enter or change the text if need be. Check. Move item to folder and choose a folder or create a new one. Select OK to create, confirm, and OK. Again, to close the dialog box. When you're done, click OK to create the rule. You can use the rule straight away by checking this box. Then select OK. The message now appears in your newly created folder. Outlook provides a range of templates you can use to fine-tune rules. Select File, Manage Rules and Alerts. New Rule. For this example, let's select flag messages from someone for follow-up. Rule descriptions highlighted in blue can be edited. Choose the Flags option. Here, only specific words from a specific person will be flagged, and you can add exceptions to the rules, such as when your name appears in the CC box. You can name your rules for reference. Note: certain rules will only run when Outlook is on. Thank you.